Hello, you lovely people. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm talking about my eyebrow grooming routine. I have been doing my own eyebrows at home since pretty much the end of 2018, which actually really worked out in my favor because, thanks to the lockdown, we couldn't really step out and go for threading. So I was managing just fine on my own at home. And even now, although salons have opened up, I don't really feel the need to step out. I feel it's quite risky to actually go to a salon. Personally, it's your choice if you want to do that, but I'm avoiding stepping out as much as possible. So yeah, I am pretty much managing on my own at home, and luckily I have been doing this for a while, so I'm well versed with it. So the tools that you require for this are, number one, a kajal pencil or an eyeliner pencil. I prefer a pencil, not a liquid eyeliner, because I just feel like this is quicker to work with than waiting for the liquid liner to dry up. You also need a facial trimmer like this one. I have done a review and demo of this product before. It's the Panasonic facial trimmer, which also comes with like an additional blade which is just for the eyebrows. This is the normal facial trimming blade. Then you have the comb attachments. The comb attachments are basically to reduce the length of the eyebrows. I'll get into that later. Also, you should have a pair of mini scissors, plucker, tweezer, a lash and eyebrow groomer, which will help you in basically trimming and grooming the eyebrows. Before we move on to the main part of the video, I just want to tell you that this is a very basic demonstration, a very basic tutorial, because I don't really go all out and really shape my eyebrows or trim it too much, because I don't like to do that. I like to keep it natural, like to keep it thick, which is pretty much what most people are doing these days. Everyone prefers darker, thicker eyebrows. So the best way to do that is not mess with it too much and shape it too much. So that's why what I am going to show you now is basically what I personally do, and it's up to you if you want to follow that or not. But if you want to see like more in-depth shaping, trimming, grooming videos, then there's lots on YouTube, and I'm sure you'll find something that works just for you. This is basically my way of getting you started on this journey of eyebrow grooming and trimming yourselves. And without wasting any more time, let's get to it. Take your kajal pencil and start outlining your eyebrows in the desired shape that you want to retain. I usually skip this step because I'm so used to doing my eyebrows without the help of the outline, and I'm sure you'll also reach this stage with enough practice. Take your tweezers and start plucking the hair in the gap between your eyebrows. I don't like this, so I remove it, but if you want to keep it, you can keep it as is. Taking the shorter trimming blade, I am now going to use the trimmer and remove any leftover hair in the center. I'm also using this to remove any extra hair which is outside the outline that I just created below my eyebrows. The trimmer can't remove the hair from the roots, so when I feel like one or two are really bothering me, then I just go for it with the tweezer. But remember, do this only if you can handle the pain. Now we come to the comb attachments. I'm using the bigger one, that is the A comb, and this basically helps you trim the length of your eyebrows. Using the other eyebrow blade, I'm going to remove the extra hair on top and on the sides, as you can see here. After combing the eyebrows straight up with the lash and brow groomer, I am now going to cut the eyebrows right at the edges of the line that has been drawn. This is only required if the previous comb extension didn't do a good job at trimming the length. Finally, wipe off the kajal lines, and that's it. Like I said, I like to keep my eyebrows very natural and stick to the original shape, which is why I don't do too much of extra tweezing or shaping or trimming. And that's about it. I hope this video gets you started on this journey of trimming and grooming your own eyebrows wherever you are. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below, and if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share this with anyone you feel might be able to benefit from it. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of the videos that I post. I also post a lot of content on Instagram and constantly making new reels. I'm also sharing a lot of short videos on YouTube, so in case you don't enjoy the longer videos, you can just watch the shorter ones because these are below 60 seconds. And yeah, if you want to get in touch with me, in general you have any feedback, any suggestions, any questions, if there's any product you want me to review, then you know what to do. You can let me know in the comments here, or you can let me know on any of my social media accounts. They are down in the description below. That's all for today. I will see you very soon. Until next time.